What is going on, everyone? We are going to find out today about NVIDIA, the fair value according to Warren Buffett of NVIDIA Stock, ticker symbol NVDA, as well as the price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer. Why am I doing this today? They're posting earnings today after hours, so who knows, while value investing for the future could be a good idea. We will see the fair price of NVIDIA, but maybe we'll do some YOLO options for today. We'll see what we see. Yeah, look at this. This is their website. They have Minecraft, they have Call of Duty, Black Ops, Cold War, tons of great stuff. I love this company. Most powerful GPU for AI supercomputing chip. I don't know if they're better than Intel. I'm old school. That doesn't mean anything. The new generations love love NVIDIA and AMD. But let's go see the fair value according to Warren Buffett. So about the graph, ticker symbol NVIDIA. This is the daily chart. Around March, look at my mouse. Around March it was 200, 220, crazy, and then jump all the way up to like 400 and climb and climb and climb and climb, like super climb. Slow and steady wins the race. This is where the like support, super hard, the hardcore support. You can see the level about 560, something like that, where it says 564, give or take. And we have the resistance at around 500, 510, which is where we are now. We are closing today just about the 50-day moving average, 535, 536, 537 actually is the moving average, which is where we are. I hope they will break earnings, but I don't know the fair value, and this is my the end game. Look at the volume in here. Nothing major in the last few days, super low volume, slow and steady, they're going up. If you look here, the balance of power at the bottom, there's more buyer, more green than sellers. Not huge, not something huge, but who knows the future. So we're gonna see, according to the Warren Buffett formula, how much is the fair value of NVIDIA. So let's go back to our Excel. Okay, so we are in the Excel. Let's see how to value a stock like Warren Buffett. Let's see what we got here. Company name NVIDIA. First item on our list is earning per share. We're gonna go to Yahoo Finance to find earning per share. So let's go. So earning per share, we are at Yahoo Finance. This is the home page, and we're looking here. EPS TTM, earning per share trailing 12 months. We got the number of 5.44. So we're gonna go back to the Excel and put the number 5.44 back in the Excel. EPS 5.44. Okay, and if you guys want this Excel to put whatever stock that you have or consider having, just to see the fair value according to Warren Buffett, link is in the description. It's part of my Patreon membership, $10 a month to join. Check it out and let me know if you are a happy user. So yeah, check it out in the description. Let's move on. The next one is PE 8.5. This is a constant. Benjamin Graham in the book The Intelligent Investors says that 8.5 means that the stock will not grow in the next 7 to 10 years. So he's just putting a constant of 8.5 to stay conservative. And I'm sticking to this number. If you check online on so many forums, they say maybe put 7, maybe put something else. I'm sticking to the original formula in the book, 8.5. So let's move on. We need to find growth rate, and this is again number that we're gonna find in the Yahoo Finance sheet. So let's go back to Yahoo Finance to find the growth of NVIDIA stock. So I'm back in Yahoo Finance, and I'm going here to find the growth. I'm going to the analysis tab. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and here I'm gonna do something a little different. In the formula it says check this box, next 5 years growth, which is 17%. However, for me 17% growth for NVIDIA is pretty low, because in the last 5 years, if you see this, the growth was about 53%. I don't think they're going from 53% to 17. That's like I don't know, like 70% this decrease. So we have a few options. We have the last 5 years, 52.83. We have the next year, 21. I assume that's why they think COVID will still be here. but the current year is 57. Next quarter, current quarter. So I'm gonna go with the not the highest, which is the current year 57. I'm gonna go with the last 5 years, which is 52.83. Just not the highest and not the lowest. Again, lowest is 17% projected for the next 5 years, and highest was this year. Pretty awesome year. Maybe that's a sign to buy some YOLO calls. We'll see at the end of this video. 57%. I'm gonna go in something in the middle. In the last 5 years, the average growth was 52.83. So that's the number I'm gonna put in, 52. Back in the Excel, I'm gonna go here to the growth. I'm gonna put 52.83. That's very nice. And next we have growth rate times 2. That's another constant from the book. You don't change it. Basically, it says that whatever the growth is that you find the number, just multiply that by 2, and the formula in this Excel does exactly that, because it thinks that analysts are always wrong. Yeah, so just multiply whatever they say. Okay, next thing is corporate bond, another constant, 4.4. We don't do anything with it. This was the corporate bond around 50 years ago when this book, The Intelligent Investor, was actually written. And next we need to find the corporate bond of NVIDIA, and then we're gonna find ourselves some numbers. So I'm gonna go to Google and search NVIDIA corporate bond. Follow me along, guys. Googled NVIDIA corporate bond and I got a few options. I'm looking for the highest number. The higher the number, the more conservative it is, just for the fair value of Warren Buffett. So let's see what our options here. One number says 3.5, 3.5%. Another one says 2.2, so I'm sticking to 3.5. Let's see, another one 3.2, so still 3.5. This one doesn't have anything, and so on and so on. So the highest that we got is a 3.5 coupon bond for NVIDIA, expired in the year 2040, which doesn't matter for this particular tutorial. So I'm gonna put 3.5% in our formula. So I'm back in the Excel. I'm gonna put the number here, AAA bond yield 3.5, and once I do, I'm gonna find two things. I'm gonna find the fair value of NVIDIA stock according to Warren Buffett, as written in the book The Intelligent Investor, as well as the price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer, which is about 33% discount from the fair value, which most likely we have seen around March. But yeah, I'm doing this video now not in March. So, and before I reveal the number, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you gain any value from me. And also you can get this Excel on the description below in my Patreon, where we have a group of about I don't know, 150 people, as well as, while I am new to YouTube, I have about 15,000 plus community members on TikTok that is following me under the name Finance After 40. So feel free to check the description below. Let's get started. I'm gonna put 3.5, and once I click enter, I will find the fair value of NVIDIA. Are you ready? Let's do this again. Dum da dum da 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 dum. Holy moly. Wow. Do you guys see that? $780? $780 is NVIDIA fair value. I'm gonna YOLO tomorrow, call options, whatever, something. Stock fair value 780 on NVIDIA, and price that Warren Buffett will be a buyer is 523, which is where we are now. About I don't know, 30% discount where we are from now, which is 536, 523. That's 3% from here. So Warren Buffett wants 33% discount. We are getting 30% discount. This is pretty awesome. To be honest with you, this is pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna go YOLO call 600 tomorrow on Robinhood. Gonna see the price. This is pretty awesome. I thought NVIDIA was expensive, but no. Not according to Warren Buffett. $780. Let me repeat. That's the fair value. The price that we are a buyer is 523. Let's just put in perspective. Divided by the price today, 536. 2.5% from here. So we're getting about 30% and a half discount instead of 33. Warren Buffett would be a happy camper to buy this stock. You don't have to be on the dot. We're getting 30% discount on NVIDIA. If you guys gain any value from my video, don't forget to subscribe. And tomorrow morning I'm YOLOing 600 calls for this week, the Friday expiration, and hopefully this earning will make us some good money. Spread the words and let me know if you took this trade, and if you want this Excel, go check the description for Patreon, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much. Yeah.